name's Garrett, and I had my kitchen renovated by HomeDesign Inc. out of Fairfax, Virginia. I bought this home this summer in 2022 and knew right away that I needed to take down some walls and wanted to completely revision the space. And met with a few contractors. A lot were battling with long lead times, and couldn't get started with the work right away. I had HomeDesign come to the home, and I think within the first day that I even reached out to get a quote, one of their team members, John, met at the house. He talked through the design, was really communicative, and we've had a really good first impression from him. Shortly thereafter, we met at their office and immediately started working with them to design our kitchen layout and what we needed to do. My wife and I were very pleased with the whole process and how well they worked with us, and really tried to meet our needs with our budget as well. So, we immediately had a great impression right off the bat, and they also could beat almost everybody that we talked to schedule and got to work right away. So through the process of them starting their work and random challenges that were unforeseen with our space, they were really communicative. Their team talked to me after work every day. We talked through any changes that were happening, and along the way they really worked with me to stay within our budget, and we didn't have any unexpected costs along that way. So I really couldn't recommend them enough. We've already been recommending to friends. They were on time, and they're very detail oriented, and we're so happy with the kitchen space and how it turned out. So couldn't be happy enough.